Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on spell check on Google Docs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Having spell check turned on Google Docs is very helpful if you aren't always sure of correct spelling. It will also correct spelling when you make a minor typo. Follow the steps to learn how to turn on spell check on Google Docs. In an open document, click Tools from the top menu bar. Then choose Preferences from the options. In Preferences, click the checkbox to the left of Automatically Correct Spelling. When there is a blue check mark in the checkbox, spell check is turned on. Tap OK in the bottom right corner. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Docs tips and tricks.